Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will study how to do rounding of the number. But before that, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and also share this video to your friends and family. So, in this video, we will read how to round to tens, hundreds and thousands. We will also study how to round to nearest whole number and rounding off to 1, 2 or 3 decimal places. So let's start. First, we will see how to round off to tens, hundreds and thousands. So, rounding 16 to the nearest 10. It means we will round off 16 to the nearest tens. That is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That is in tens. So, we will see which number will come closer to 16. So, there are three options. That is 20, 10, 15 and 0 can't be the option. But now, since the number is 16, you can round it off to 20 and not to 10, because 16 is nearest to 20 and not to 10. So our right answer will be 20. Fine. Now we will round off 234 to the nearest hundreds. So in this you can see that nearest to hundreds, so that can't be 230 or 240, but it will be either 100 or 200. So 234 cannot be near to 100, but it can be near to 200. So our right answer will be 200. Now rounding 5504 to the nearest thousand. Here you can see that there are four options: 5000, 5600, 6000 and 5500. So now 5504 can be round off to either 5000 or 6000. But now here you can see that 5000 is in between 5000 and 6000, but it has four numbers more in it is four numbers nearer to 6000 and not to 5000. So our right answer will be 6000. Hope this rounding off is clear. Now we are moving on to second part, that is rounding off to nearest whole number. Now since we know that whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, we are taking this decimal into whole number, nearest whole number. So 4.75 to the nearest whole number. So 4.75 is in between 4 and 5, but it is near to 5 and it is far than 4. So our right answer will be 5. Now rounding of 0.59 to nearest whole number. Now since 0.59 is near to 1, since we are rounding off to whole number, so our answer will be 1. Our answer will be 1. Again, rounding 9.99 to nearest whole number. 9.99 has close whole number to be 10. 9.99, and if you will add 0.01, then it will turn into 10. So if you will round off 9.99 to the nearest whole number, that will be 10. So hope this part is also clear. Now we will learn how to round off to 1, 2s or 3s decimal places. Like if you have to round off this 0.76 to 1 decimal place, so what you will do, you will see which number has 0.76 now 1 decimal place, that is 0.77. 1 decimal place. So that is you need to have only one place after decimal, after point. So that will be 0.8. 0.76 will be changed into 0.8. Now 2 decimal place. See, after point there are 3 numbers, but you need to convert it into 2 numbers. So 0.204 to nearest 2 places. So that will be 0.21. 0.204 to 2 decimal places, that will be 0.20, cause 4 doesn't matter and that is farther to 0.21. So 0.20. Now we are converting 1.0995 to 3 decimal places. It means there are 4 decimal places. Now we are changing it to only 3 decimal places. Now 0.999, 0.099, 0.0 1.099. So 0 can't be there because we have 1. 0.99. So if you will take it to 3 decimal places, so I think this will be, yes, 1.100. Now we are allowed to take only 3 decimal places, so 1.100, because 0.99 can be converted to 100. So hope you understood this video. Hope you understood how to round off the number. If you like this video, then please subscribe to this channel and also share this video to your friends and family. Bye bye. Take care.